Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, this morning, Amber, Summer, and myself went down to South Daytona. We went out and did some shrimping, and shrimping was on fire. I mean, it was some of the best shrimping as far as numbers that I've seen in a very long time. In an hour and a half, we had over 4 gallons. I thought I had 4 gallons, but once I came home and measured it up, I had almost a 5-gallon bucket in just an hour and a half, and that's pretty good. I was getting like anywhere from 25 to 30 on up to 100, 200 a cast. It was insane. But the plan was we were going to go out, we're going to do a catch and cook. We're going to go out and catch our dinner for the night and do a catch and cook video. So now, instead of eating big giant jumbo shrimp that usually is running, that we usually catch and eat, we're going to be eating bait shrimp. So tonight we're doing a catch and cook bait shrimp. I'll see you guys at the cleaning table. Felt a lot of popping in the net. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, there we go. That's pretty good. That's a lot of them. That's how you get a 5-gallon bucket like that. That was a pretty good cast. Yeah, look at all that. See if I can cast this net without hitting this other boat. Look at all those shrimp, guys. Man, that's a lot of shrimp. Holy cow. That's almost a half a bucket already, guys. Look at that. That's where I'm at. That's easy 2 gallons of shrimp already. And we haven't even been doing this an hour. Not even an hour yet. Alright guys, well, we're back in from our trip. And here's what we got. Most of these are basically just bait shrimp. But we are going to eat some of them today. We're going to do a catch and cook with these smaller shrimp. And how we like to eat our shrimp is the day we catch them, we take them whole just like this, with the heads on and everything, and we boil them up or cook them on the grill, and that's how we eat them. That's our favorite way to eat shrimp, fresh like this. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to clean a couple of them, just so you know how to clean shrimp if you don't know already. But the rest of them we're going to leave the heads on, and then we're going to do a little catch and cook. Alright guys, well here we go. Here's the shrimp that we're going to eat tonight. This little portion right here. As you can see, a lot of them are really small. So basically, these to me are bait shrimp. I normally keep much bigger shrimp for food, but since this is what we caught today, this is what we're going to eat. So we're going to do like a catch and cook bait shrimp, but they actually taste really good. Even though they're small, they're a pain in the butt to clean and go through, they are really, really tasty. So just in case you don't know how to clean a shrimp, just take a shrimp, take your thumb, your finger here, just pinch, and the head comes right off, just like that. Show you another one, just like that, guys. It's really easy, and you actually can go through a whole lot of them real quick. But for this purpose, for this catch and cook, I'm gonna leave all the heads on these shrimp because we really like the flavor of the shrimp with the heads on when you first catch them. I know I have heard of people freezing them with the heads on and cooking them like that throughout the year, but I personally have done that once and would never do it again because it spoils the shrimp if they've been sitting in the freezer for a little while. But yeah, some of these are decent. You can get some nice meat off them. You know, they're good tasting little shrimp when they're this size, but it's a lot of work. It is a lot of work. Alright guys, I got a pot of water here. I have it on high heat, and to this I'm going to add some lemon juice. I do not use an exact measurement here. It's just whatever comes out. I'll put some salt in here. I like a lot of salt, so. And then also we're going to add some Old Bay. Alright, there we go. I'm going to let this come to a boil, and then we're going to start cooking our bait shrimp. Alright guys, here's our little bait shrimp. A couple okay sized ones in there. But mainly and mostly little bait shrimp. But that's what we got. So that's what we're going to do. I actually put the rest of the shrimp that we caught in little baggies and put them in the freezer. Since we planned on having shrimp tonight, this is what we eating. Alright, well we got my water's boiling real good. Go ahead and just put these in here. It's a lot of shrimp. We'll let these cook for about 2 minutes until they turn real nice and pink and start floating a little bit, and that'll be done. Alright guys, well, they're starting to look pretty good. So, cook just a little bit more. They are looking really, really good. It looks like some really good and delicious bait shrimp. Oh yeah. Alright guys, well they are done. They're looking really nice. Good. Turn the heat off. Alright. Oh yeah. That's a lot of shrimp. Oh yeah, man, they look good. Holy moly. There you go, guys. That's a big heaping pile of little shrimp. But don't let the size fool you guys, seriously. Even though they are small, these little things are really tasty. Just a lot of work, but if you don't mind doing some work, it's really good eating actually. Alright guys, well I'm just going to pop a couple shrimp off here. Need some. Okay, looks about like that. Yes, they're little, but wow, those are good. They have a very sweet flavor. They're excellent. I mean, they're just little. Very good. Alright, Jettie Rockers. Well, I got my shrimp here. You see my shrimp. Right there. I've already eaten a couple for you. So right now, Amber's getting some butter melted and some lemon juice, and we're going to come in here and we're going to have at it. But I challenge you guys to try that. I really do. If you're out there shrimping, especially here in Daytona, and you're hitting these smaller shrimp, yes, they're excellent bait shrimp, and it does save you a lot of money putting them away for bait through the year. But if you don't mind the work, these little guys are really good. I'm not kidding you. They're very tasty. I mean, they're easy. They're kind of easy to go through. They're not real hard. There's just a lot of them. But they're outstanding. They're excellent. They're not bad. Well, I want to thank you guys very much for hanging out and watching this video tonight with me and being part of my family, being part of my channel. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate you guys very much, and you mean a lot to me. We're at over 9,000 subscribers now. We're almost to 10,000, and that's because you guys are awesome, and I really appreciate the support. You guys, I mean, I got the best subscribers in the world. I really do. You guys talk to me all the time. I mean, a lot of you out there on the water. It's just a great thing, and I'm humbled all the time. It's just awesome. You guys are incredible. Well, y'all, I'm going to eat some shrimp with my wife. I'm going to get some melted butter, and we're going to have our little dinner here. Until I get to see you guys again soon here on the water, tight lines, Jettie Rockers. Don't forget to subscribe and a thumbs up. Alright guys, this is how I like to eat my shrimp. I just sit here and peel them and load up my little bowl in some butter. And then I'll just sit here and eat them by the forkful. Man, that is good. Well, here's the aftermath, guys. We did the best we could. That's a lot of shrimp. That's a lot of picking to all those little shrimp. They were good. Hey, Jettie Rockers. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. But check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.